All right, guys, let's talk about what it means to be directly proportional or inversely proportional. We'll start off with the mathematical definitions. Directly proportional means something like that follows the form y equals kx. For example, y equals 3x. And inversely proportional is something that follows the form y equals k over x. For example, y equals 3 over x. That's the mathematical definition. Let's talk about the common colloquial definition. Now here's what you'll notice. As long as k is a positive number, y equals kx, and like for example, y equals 3x, if x gets bigger, y also gets bigger. If x is 1 here, then y is 1. If x is 2, then y is 6. If x is 3, y is 9. If x and y are inversely proportional, then assuming that k is positive, then as x gets bigger, y gets smaller. So for example, if x is 1, y is 3. If x is 3, if x increases to 3, then y decreases to 1. So when people usually say directly proportional, it just means that if one thing gets bigger, the other thing gets bigger. And if people say that two things are inversely proportional, then they're saying is one thing gets bigger, the other thing gets smaller. So I'll give you an example. Let's say we're talking about height and intelligence. If I believe that height and intelligence are directly proportional, it means that I think if you get taller, you get smarter. If I think they're inversely proportional, it means that I think that the taller you are, the dumber you are. So that's the mathematical and colloquial definitions of directly proportional and inversely proportional.